DeepSeek.
DeepSeek.
A Chinese AI, DeepSeek, has shocked the entire world, shaking up American tech companies and US stock market in such a bad way they never expected. It's all started on January 2025 when a Chinese research lab introduced DeepSeek R1.
January 27th, 2025 may go down in history as DeepSeek Day.
DeepSeek shaking up global tech.
What's even more surprising, DeepSeek has achieved this with a fewer resources. It was developed faster and at a much lower cost. The most incredible part is it's completely free for everyone, for you, for me, and for everyone, making advanced AI accessible to the public. Meanwhile, on the other hand, OpenAI charges $200 per month for its ChatGPT Pro model, and you will be shocked the training cost of DeepSeek R1 is $5.6 million. On the other hand, US tech companies like Meta and Google are spending billions of dollars to build their AI models. Just a short while ago, when OpenAI founder Sam Altman was asked whether Indians could build foundational AI models like ChatGPT, he arrogantly replied, "No one except us can do this. You can try, but it's hopeless."
Let's say a startup from India, but if you want to build foundational models, how should we think about that? Not 100 million, but let's say 10 million could actually build something truly substantial.
Look, the way this works is we're going to tell you it's totally hopeless to compete with us on training foundation models. You shouldn't try, and it's your job to try anyway. And I believe both of those things. Pretty hopeless, but
Now, Altman himself might be feeling hopeless. Within a week of its release, DeepSeek became the most downloaded app on both US App Store and Google Play Store, even surpassing ChatGPT. By the next day, it was the top app in India and other countries, dominating worldwide. By January 27, US financial market were in chaos. Nvidia, the world's most valuable company, which makes the advanced chip needed to train AI system, had a market value of $3.5 trillion, but in just a single day, its value dropped to $2.9 trillion. Nvidia stock crashed 17%, losing $589 billion, the biggest single day loss ever for a US tech company. The entire tech index fell by 3.1%, but Nvidia collapse was the biggest shock. Why did Nvidia suffer such a huge loss? The answer lies in the rise of DeepSeek. But first, let's explore where this AI came from and how it stunned the world. Why DeepSeek stunned the world? Let's break into three steps. First one is transparency. It shows user its step-by-step thought process. Second, efficiency. Built faster, cheaper, and with fewer resources than Western rivals. The third one is, and the most important, is youth power. 95% of its team is under 30, proving innovation thrives outside Silicon Valley. After the release of DeepSeek, the biggest concern raised about DeepSeek AI is its censorship regarding the Chinese government and politics. If you ask it any critical question like what happened in Tiananmen Square in 1989, or what are the biggest criticism of Xi Jinping, DeepSeek AI will respond with something like that. Sorry, I'm not sure how to answer this question yet. Let's talk about math, coding, or logic problem instead of that. However, if you ask DeepSeek about criticisms of any other world leader like Joe Biden, Donald Trump, it provides detailed response. The reason behind is that all AI models developed in China go through extensive testing where around 70,000 questions are asked to ensure they provide politically safe answers. Only after passing this test they are approved for release. This evaluation is carried out by China Chief Internet Regulator, the Cyberspace Administration of China. Some people argue that DeepSeek should be completely boycotted because its responses are filled with Chinese propaganda. However, an important point to consider is that DeepSeek is open source software. This means its code is publicly available and anyone can download it. While DeepSeek shines in performance, its response time is a glaring weakness. ChatGPT response time is 31.1 second per query. On the other hand, DeepSeek response time is 71.2 seconds and rising. Why this lag? On the other hand, we are saying that DeepSeek are the world's most advanced chatbot. Then why this lag occurring? So the main reason is after going viral globally, DeepSeek infrastructure is buckling under demand. Millions of users trying to use this, so just because of heavy traffic, servers goes down. DeepSeek changed the entire game. US believed only they could build top AI because they had the best chips. Big tech companies like Meta, OpenAI, Google insisted that advancing AI required more chips and energy and money. But DeepSeek proved them wrong. With limited resources, they built AI that ran on less computing chip, minimum energy, way lower cost. This shocked Silicon Valley and Nvidia, whose expensive AI chips were in high demand, lost $589 billion in market value overnight. Why Nvidia got hit hardest? For years, the industry believed bigger AI models, more chips, more profit. DeepSeek shattered this myth, triggering chaos. Meta, we need more GPUs. Google, I need huge resources. Nvidia watches its stock crash. DeepSeek didn't just disrupt AI, it rewrote the rules. If you completely watched the video, now you are able to comparison between OpenAI ChatGPT and DeepSeek, like who is better, who is most advanced right now. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button for more videos.